Hey everyone, it's Simon here. I just want to spend a minute talking to you about the Nasdaq today. Why? Because the Nasdaq is now 3 ATRs above the mean. We had a volatility expansion through here, which fired long, and that got us to 3 ATRs above the mean, which is that red line there. Why is that significant? Well, when a major index like the S&P or the Nasdaq gets to 3 ATRs above the mean, it usually puts a cap on the rally, and the odds of mean reversion increase dramatically. What do I mean by mean reversion? Well, price coming back to this white line in the middle here. So you can see we're extended a long way away from the white line, and sooner or later, and probably sooner rather than later, price will come back to the white line. If we just go back and have a look at the Nasdaq historically, or just zoom out a little bit, you can see that when we get to 3 ATRs above the mean, it often puts a cap on the rally, and the index will come back and find that white line. Sometimes we don't even get all the way up to 3 ATRs above the mean. But usually when we get there, the odds increase of a sell-off. Well, let's call it mean reversion. Now, occasionally, the index, in this case the Nasdaq, can stay extended more than 3 ATRs above the mean for a week or two at a time. It certainly happened here. It happened for 3 or 4 days here, and we had another occurrence here. But generally each time that has happened, it's been when the momentum bars have been green. And the momentum bars are one of my custom indicators. Now, when the momentum bars are yellow, that is generally when the rally stops. You get to 3 ATRs above, pull back to the mean. 3 ATRs above, pull back to the mean. And that's where we are today. Now, that doesn't mean I'm bearish the Nasdaq. It just means I'm waiting for the dip to buy. Okay, I don't want to buy anything that's extended a long way away from the mean. I always want to buy it when asset prices are close to the mean. I don't like shorting things through an uptrends. I like buying the dip in an uptrend. We're not in a dip at present, but if we do see the Nasdaq sell off over the next few days back to say 15,000 on the cash index, I think that would represent a pretty good opportunity to start sharpening your pencil and looking at acquiring or reacquiring some tech exposure. I hope it helps, and I'll catch you on the next video.